Hello everyone, my name is Miguel Pellicer. I'm the CTO of EDF, a Spanish firm company that is part of the Sakai community. And I would like to talk and make a demo about a new feature that we created for the Hotel School The Hague. We had a request for them to create a new type of submission in assignments to deliver audio and video responses. So we found a very good JavaScript library, which is open source and license is compatible with our product, and it's supported by the major browsers in the market, Google Chrome, Firefox, except Edge that only supports audio. Basically, they want to deliver video and audio responses for assignments, and we created that feature for them. So I would like to show you how it works. It's a proof of concept. There's still in development, and we're improving some aspects of the feature, but we have a minimum product that we can make a demo of it. Okay, this is my local instance of Sakai 20. I can add a new assignment for the students. Record your face, and there's a new type of submission, which is the audio and video submission, which is powered by this plugin that is well supported, has many installations, and is compatible with the major part of the browsers in the market. So I can assign some points, and I can even assign rubrics. So I'm gonna post, and then the assignment is open for the students. Now I'm gonna log in as a student. Then I will go to assignments, and I will find the assignment, so I can record my face, and I have two buttons, start recording and stop recording as a submission. So I'm gonna start recording, then the component asks for permissions. The component wants permissions to access to my microphone, access my camera. So I'm gonna allow permissions for the plugin, and then you can see myself recording myself. So I can stop recording for the plugin, and then you can see myself. And as a student, I can watch the video first after submitting, before submitting, or I can even record another version of the video for the instructor. Then I can stop recording another version of the video, watch it again, and submit. So I submitted the video. As a student, I can access the recordings, and then I can log in as instructor again. So I have one new submission as instructor. Then I can see the submission, and I can see the recording of the user. So I can watch another version of the video for the second one, and I can grade, I can download the file, and I can put some comments and release the grade for the students. So I would like to talk about the key features of this new development. We created that for the Hotel School The Hague because they want this feature. It's powered by the Record RTC JavaScript library, and you don't need to install any kind of additional plugins in the browser or the operating system. It can be extended to support more features. We can include it in more tools, and we can support even screen recording. It works in all browsers except Microsoft Edge, which only supports audio only. The contribution can be target for Sakai 20 because new features will be allowed. By default, the video recording is limited to 3 minutes because there's a Sakai file policy by default, which is 20 megabytes. And of course, this can be extended. But I have to say that this feature is designed for short videos because As you may know, Sakai is not YouTube, and Sakai is not very powerful at video delivery. So basically relies on files. There's a policy, and we limited the video length to 3 minutes. And of course, it can be extended, but involves technical resources from your organization. And we're looking for community feedback and contributors to this feature, because we would like to make this feature available, and we would like to see it in Sakai 20. So thank you so much for watching, and you'll see more features in video format. Thank you.